Hello everyone, welcome to you on my channel Think Future Onwards Academy. I'm grateful to you in supporting and giving me the feedback. This is helping me in improving the quality of content. I'm looking forward in future as well. Based on the feedback, I have planned the courses. I will deliver these courses in both languages, English and Urdu playlist. The course designed in 10 modules. I will start from the basic to advanced. At the end of the course, you will be able to work independently and can generate different types of dashboards. Today, first, I will show you the brief content that what I'm going to produce for you in the training course. First of all, this is training content, which I designed for you. This is a little introduction about me, training courses for me. And then I have, the course list, what I'm going to prepare it for you, how to use the Excel functions, shortcuts, printing, formatting, conditional formatting, managing data, creating charts, pivot tables, dashboards. Okay, the course one, the module one, it consists of the following items: copy and drag, working in rows and columns, working with sheets, working with workbook, etc. Then combining data, then formatting, then printing, data review, using functions, VLOOKUPs, analysis tools, graphs, pivot tables, extract between data frames. So let's start the course. The first course which I designed it for you, the module 1, learning basic Excels for beginners. Here I will tell you about the point by point, what are these courses and how you can manage these courses. See, I put it here almost 17 points in which I will give you the information. What are these courses? What are these points? Working with rows and columns. We should know what is row and what is column. Here I will give you the example, like I'm going to highlight this C like this way. It's called column. Okay, I just want to make it little bit different color so that you will understand better. See, I made this as a yellow. It's a color. Okay, this is called column. Okay, if I'm highlighting from here to this, it is called row. See, you can see it here. I colored it already for you. It is called row. Here it's column. Okay. Now, how you can insert the column and how you can delete the column, rows and columns, both. It's very easy. It's not having difficult. There is a method. If you can highlight this column, okay, on the D I highlighted. And if I want to insert, there are two methods. Either I will click it here directly on the insert, it will insert. Okay, Control Z. And if I don't want to use this method, I can just right click on it here and just insert. But first condition is I have to highlight the column first, like this I highlighted here. Okay, the same thing with the row. See here now, I'm going to highlight this row as it is, and then I'm going to right click and insert. It is inserting another row. And the same method, you can use it for here on the tab. Insert. See, one row is inserted automatically now with this one. Then we have working with sheets. What is sheet? Sheet consists of, I can show you in a new sheet, new Excel. This one, we are opening a new workbook. It is called a workbook. Okay. Here you can see the sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3. You can insert as per your requirement. So many sheets you can insert here. The important thing is here that what is the difference between the workbook and the worksheet? Workbook is a document in a one file. It is one file. I'm going to save it. For example, this file, I saved it, okay, on my PC, book one. It is called a workbook. In this, under this, there are 4 sheets. These are the sheets. These are not workbooks. These are worksheets. Understand? Okay, we are going to close this one and going to another point. How to add a new sheet. I given here some formula that how you can do with the shortcut key and how you can do it with the formatting tools. Okay, we will use it for the first. For example, Shift 11. If you want to add a new sheet, you can just click Shift 11 on your keyboard. It is see, I'm creating a new worksheet. Sheet F4, it's there now. I'm going to delete it. Okay. Now you can rename any sheet. See, I made this sheet as a module 1. How you can do it? Just right click on it and here rename and just click it here and you can rename it as per your requirement. The second method is just double click here on the module 1. Just double click and it will highlight. Okay. I have given all the information here that how you can do it. Right click and all this one, I mentioned it here. Delete sheet as well. The same methodology, you can use it. Home tab, format, under format, you can delete sheet, it is there. See here. We will see it over here. Sheet, rename, tab color. Okay. Delete sheet, delete here. See here. Delete sheet, delete column, delete row, delete cell. All information, whatever you want, you can do it. Hide and unhide. For example, there is a one sheet I don't want to show anybody. For example, module 4, for example, I'm clicking it here. I'm going right click and hide. The sheet is hidden now. See here now. Sheet is hidden. How to unhide? Just go over there in the format. Okay, hide and unhide. Unhide. Unhide row, unhide column, unhide sheet. It is showing me which sheet you want to hide. Okay, 4. See, it's back now. Okay. Next, how to move sheets as a copy in the existing sheet. It's very easy. Just right click, move our copy, and where you want to move. For example, I want to move at end and click on create copy. See, module copy tool is created. I'm going to delete, right click, delete. Okay. Now I'm going back on my sheet, module 1. Next is how to move sheet as a copy in the new sheet. For example, you have another data file and you want to move this over sheet. Module 1, move our copy. Here there is one drop down is coming. See here, it's a drop down here. Just click below new book and create copy. See, it is copied now. Now, for example, we have this Excel sheet already with us, but we want to make this file over there as a copy. I'll just click, right click, move our copy. And when I'm going to pull it down, it is showing me another workbook 2. I highlighted here, I select this book 2 and I told move to end, create copy, checkbox this one. So the data is there. Another thing, if I'm not going to do, what will happen? I'm moving this one, this sheet, data and copy, move copy, and I'm selecting the book 2. And what will happen if I'm not going to select create a copy? What will happen? You will see the file is removed from here. File, totally moved from here. So you cannot find the file anymore here. So what you need to do, okay, I want back to move over there, move our copy where in my this sheet and here, create copy. See, it's back now. So it's very tricky. This point you should remember that if you are not selecting the copy, it will remove from your existing sheet. Okay, what is cell? Cell is a certain information where you can select. See, this is a cell. This one is one area which is called this information. It is cell. How to delete the cell and how you can insert the cell. For example, I have here this information and I want to move this row downwards. How I can do this one? I just want to move this one and I don't want to move the other part. I will show you that one. For example, this information I copied and pasted here for your information. I'm just going to right click, insert, and what it is asking me, shift cell down, shift cell right, entire row, entire column. I want to just shift cell down. See, one cell is down and the rest of information in the other columns are remain same. There is nothing change. Okay, I control Z, undo, insert, shift cell right. What happens? See, it moved to right. Okay, now insert entire row. See what happens? It inserted the entire row between these two informations. Now there is another information, delete. The same way, shift cell up. See, it bring the information from down to upwards. Okay, for example, I want to remove this information from here. It's a blank and I want to remove it. Shift cell up. See, it is moving upwards. Delete entire row, entire column. It will remove that one. Okay, so this is how to delete cell, insert cell, and what is cell. Okay, now copy and drag. How you can copy or drag? See here, this information, if you hold this one, you can drag the information. See, its plus sign is coming. I hold this one and I just put it up, pull it down. See here. On the other side, you can copy and control C plus control V. The other way is right click, copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. Okay. Another method which is used, cut and paste. I don't want to remain the information here. I just want to cut it from here and I will move it here. Right click, cut, and right click, paste. See, all complete information is moved from here to here. Okay. There is a certain, methodologies to use the data to move from one place to another place, that is called paste special values. We will learn that one in formatting, that how to do that one. So this is a lecture for today. These are the basic terminologies and basics of the Excel, how Excel works. You should have to make some practice on this one and go through with it in detail. And if you have any queries, you can come back to me. I will definitely help you in this one. And I think so my video helps you a lot in this new course where you are going to learn that how to perform these certain actions. And if you like my video, please subscribe as well. And if you have any comments, please let me know. I will definitely work it out and I will give you the answers of those questions. Thank you very much.